Thanks for checking out today's unboxing and review, everyone. Merry Christmas to all those who celebrate it. Happy holidays to everyone else. Today we are taking a look at the Playmobil set of the Nativity Scene. Hello and welcome back to Playmo AF for another unboxing and review. Alright guys, Merry Christmas to you guys once again. I hope you all have enjoyed your Christmas so far and everybody is feeling the love and togetherness that we all tend to stray away from with the everyday busyness of life. And I hope you guys are able to spend some time with your loved ones, which is very important any day of the week, really. It's not just a holiday that brings us together, but it should be something that we all strive to do, just to kind of provide and maintain that peace and balance in our lives that we so desperately need, especially in these trying times today. But as of right now, we are taking a look at the Playmobil set number 4884. This is the Nativity Scene, and probably one of the best that I've seen, actually. I really am looking forward to checking out the little shack here, which I don't believe is historically accurate, but I wasn't there. That was a terrible joke. But as you can see from the front of the box here, we do have a cardboard setting here, which I will happily take out this time. I know last time I didn't do it for the advent calendar, but I would prefer that gets opened by somebody that is definitely going to take care of it, and I don't think I would be able to. I would definitely try, but it's not something that's really going to happen. I'm pretty sure of it. But anyway, we do have a play set here. You've got the base, and then you've got the background here, giving you an idea of Jerusalem, putting you in that setting there on the day that Jesus was born. So yeah, that's it. We've got 4 clickies and a few animals here, and I was really hoping that we would get some more trees, but it's not going to happen today. They're in the form of cardboard, so we'll deal with that. Here's the right side of the box, just shows a smaller version of the front image. Here's the other side, showing us the same image. The top of the box has a few images of our clickies in different poses. And this set also features the light up lantern. The bottom features all of our choking hazard warnings in various languages, the country manufacturer and origin, and the price tag, of course, and the barcodes. The back of the box shows all of our pieces photographed individually. It does come with a small battery for your lantern. It does actually come with 2 plants, which is very nice. But enough of the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this open, and see what's inside. Okay, guys, here she is. Let's go ahead and open up the box and check out the contents as they appear in the box. And let's go ahead and put this together. Out, guys, there's a star that goes onto the top of the cardboard structure, but look, you can kind of tell this has been used, which is really odd because there was tape holding this, and it was the Playmobil tape. There wasn't any like sort of scotch tape over that tape to hold it together, so that's kind of disappointing. This is not as new as I thought it was, and in fact, as I rummage through the box a little more, let's see how bad the background is. This is the background, and this is in pretty good shape. This is still pretty solid. But this plant here is bent. So that's a little disappointing. But it's okay. we'll manage. You have these little tabs. You got tabs on the brick wall, on the wood wall here. There's one up here you can't see on the camera. Okay, and this is what it looks like with that background on there, but I'm going to figure out this thing. I don't know if I can figure out this thing because of that tear. And that's very disappointing. But let me get this on here and we'll see how it looks. Okay guys, this is the nativity scene almost completely put together. But this is unfortunate because this is technically completely put together. We are missing pieces. So this was definitely used at one time. In case the star didn't give you enough information. But the star is actually kind of cool, even though the paper is kind of worn out right now. But the way it fastens onto the main board here, it does give you a 3D effect. Here's another view of it. As you can see, it kind of casts a shadow there up against the cardboard piece. There you go. Here it is from the top. The little tabs, there's 3 tabs, one on the top obviously, and there's one back here. You can barely see it. And then there's one up front here that allows it to come forward, protrude a little bit, and come forward to create that 3D effect. But we do have a dove. Here's our donkey and the various pieces that came with the set as well. We do have 3 sheep, and yeah, that's okay because we are missing the cow. The cow is not included in the set, and as well as the handle for the pot. It is missing as well. And what's supposed to happen, I think, did I put the chain in there? No. Oh yeah, I did. There's a chain here that comes with the set, and it's supposed to hold the pot in place over the fire. Unfortunately, the light does not work, so evidently the battery has worn out, or it could very well be possible that there is no battery in here. And that's okay. We'll eventually get one to replace it. So moving into the manger here, or onto the manger here, we do have a very happy and smiling baby Jesus, along with his mother Mary and quote-unquote father Joseph. And then here's the donkey again. There was a stack of wood, cut wood, here all the way in the back there, which I've never had that piece either, and I like it. I almost bought that separately on eBay for another display I was doing, but I'm glad I got one with this set. Overall, pretty nice set. I would probably have loved it had it, all the pieces, if we had all the pieces included. But I do like the fact that there's a window also right there, right behind Joseph. So the cow, if you've got it, or the donkey, can look through and check out what's going on from that angle. I haven't got much or anything really to say about the sheep. They're just there with no painted eyes, which always freaks me out. See, even the donkey has a darker eye than the rest of the body there. So I don't know why the sheep had to be discluded from that. The other thing we're missing here is the satchel that goes on top of the stick here. It's supposed to be a hanging bag right there. And I may have one extra. I know that the traveling monk, which I did a review on, had one. I could probably use his. I don't think the color is going to match, but I don't think it really matters at this point. We do have the fire, which is another piece that I've seen a million times already, but it's pretty cool to have one with this set. We are missing a character. We've kind of neglected our angel. Our angel is often seen in pictures of the nativity right on top of the manger and blessing the birth of Jesus and announcing his birth to everyone. So yeah, there is her, but we also found in the same box this angel as well. And I believe this is like the regular Christmas angel. I think we got her in another set. but I could be wrong. I don't recall ever seeing this outfit now that I think about it. Got so many clickies I've forgotten which ones I got. So, but yeah, it was a nice little surprise to find another sheep. We got 2 adult sheep here. We should only have 1, and then the lamb, and then we have this angel also included. That is not included with this set. Then we also have this plant that could go onto something else, and I was hoping to see if I could fit it on any other green pieces here, but it doesn't fit. So we have it extra for whatever we could use it for. Alright guys, and that is pretty much it. I do like this set regardless of the fact that it is missing some pieces. I think we can do fine without it. I might even have a cow somewhere else that might work. It might be a bull, so maybe that won't work. But either way, once we ever get that lamp to work, I will add it into another video or even one of our pictures on Instagram. So check that out if you haven't yet. Guys, that is it for our review and assembly and all that of the Nativity Scene. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can also follow us on Instagram at playmo.af. Everyone, Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have everything that you've wished for. And here's to 2024 coming up. Everybody take care, keep smiling, be kind to each other, and we will see you again after the new year. Thanks a lot for watching.